Hello lovely kids. Good morning. I am Wrinkle Miss. As your computer teacher, welcome you all in our today's computer class. Children, we have completed explanation of chapter 4 Tux Paint in our last class. Now today we are going to do textbook exercise of this chapter. So open your textbook. In your textbook, open page number 35 and be ready with pencil eraser to fill the exercise in textbook. Let's start. Children, in your computer textbook on page number 35, the brain developer exercise of chapter 4 is given. Let's start with question A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The shapes tool is used to draw various dash and dash polygonal shapes. Shapes tool is used to which shapes? Yes, filled and unfilled shapes. Here two blanks are there, so write filled, F-I-L-L-E-D, filled in first blank, and unfilled, U-N-F-I-L-L-E-D in the another blank. Filled and unfilled, these are the answers of blank 1. Okay. You have to write in good handwriting. Okay. Number 2. The dash tool is used to create a new file in Tux Paint. Which tool is used to create new file? Yes, very easy, new tool. So answer 2 is NEW, new tool. Number 3. By using dash tool, we can remove the color to get the outline of the already drawn image. Which tool we are using to remove the outline of the already drawn image? Yes, Edges, E-D-G-E-S. Edges tool is used to remove the color and we can see the outline of the shape. Okay. Number 4. The dash effect draws a train of rainbow colors as you drag the mouse on the drawing area. Which effect draws the train of rainbow colors? We have two rainbows, rainbow and real rainbow. Here train of rainbow is given. So which tool draws the train of rainbow? Yes, rainbow effect. So right answer 4 is rainbow, R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Number 5. In Tux Paint, dash helps you to learn more about various tools. Who helps you to learn more tools? And we can know about tools by whom? Yes, penguin. So write in the fifth blank, penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin is our friend and it tells us everything about Tux Paint. Yes? Okay. Let's move forward to question B. State true or false. Okay. Let's start. Number 1. There are 18 different shapes available in the subtool box of the shapes tool. 18 different shapes available in subtool box of shapes tool? Yes or no? No. So the answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. So write number 1 answer is false. In your textbooks, the box is so small. But you have to write the whole spelling. If it is going out of the box, then it's okay, no problem. Okay, but you have to write the whole spelling of the words. Number 2. There is no option to choose a picture as the starting background of a new file. Here it is saying that we cannot choose the background of a new file. Is it true? No, it is false. We can choose any background in Tux Paint. That's why it is false. So write down the answer 2 is F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 3. The real rainbow effect draws a similar kind of rainbow that we seen in the sky. Is it true? Yes. Is it? It is true. So write down answer 3, true, because real rainbow effect draws the rainbow that we see in the sky. Real rainbow. Yes. Number 4. We can draw only green colored grass using the grass magic effect. Is it true? Yes, it is true because we can draw only green color grass, and in real also. Yes, in real grass is only in green color. So we can draw only green colored grass in tuxpade. So answer 4 is true. TRUE, true. Next, number 5. The aegis effect differentiates the aegis from the drawn image. Using aegis effect, we can differentiate the edges of the shape or any drawn image. Yes, so it is true. Write down answer number 5 is true. TRUE, true. Here, true or false are completed. Next is question C, application based questions. Let's read first question. Samir wants to wiggle his picture from side to side. Side to side means left to right side. For example, horizontally. Which effect should he use? Samir wants to wiggle the picture. Wiggle, for wiggling, which effects we have in tuxpane? Yes, waves and wavelets. But here Samir wants to wiggle from left to right, means side to side, horizontally. So to wiggle the picture horizontally, which effect we can use? Yes, waves effect. So write down answer 1 is waves effect. WAVES, waves, EFFECT, effect. Number 2. Nandini wants to add a tree to his drawing. Which tool she should use to draw the upper part of a tree? Upper part means leaves of tree. Okay. So to draw leaves of tree, which tool we can use in tuxpane? Vine. Okay. So write down answer 2 is vine tool. VINE, vine, TOOL, tool. This tool is available in the subtool box of paint tool. We can find this tool in the subtool box of paint tool. Okay. Next, question T, match the following. Matching. Okay, very easy. Here we have to match the tool name with the image of tool. Okay, symbol of that tool. First is smudge tool. Where is the smudge tool in second column? Yes, number 3. So match first with third smudge effect. Yes. Second is magic tool. Where is magic tool? Okay, number 4. So match the magic tool with magic. Next is rainbow effect. Where is rainbow effect? Yes, on number 2. So match rainbow effect with rainbow. Next, grass effect. Where is grass? Yes, at last. So match grass effect with grass. And the last one is aegis effect. Where is aegis effect? Yes, first. So match aegis effect with first aegis. Matching is very easy. Okay. Now next is multiple choice questions. 1. The dash tool gives effects as if the color is mixed using wet paint. Okay, mixing color using wet paint. Which tool gives that type of effect? Yes, smudge. Option B, smudge is the right answer. So put tick mark on option B, smudge. Okay, you can fill the answer in blanks also. Okay. Number 2. The dash effect wiggles any picture up and down in vertical direction. Which effect wiggles the picture up and down? Wavelets, because waves are wiggles the picture from side to side. Here up and down is given. So the right answer is option B, wavelets. So put tick mark on option B, wavelets. Number 3. You can get color boxes and starter pages by clicking on the dash tool. From where we can get color boxes and starters to start our drawing? Which tool we can use? Open, save or new? In new tool. So here option C, new is the right answer. So put tick mark on option C, new. Number 4. The dash is the lead developer and designer of Tux Paint. Who is the developer and designer of Tux Paint? Who made the Tux Paint? Yes, Bill Kendrick. Option B. Bill. Bill. Kendrick. Kendrick. So just put tick mark on option B. Bill Kendrick. He is the developer and designer of Tux Paint. We have to say thank you to him because he made so beautiful software for children to drawing. Okay children, here our textbook exercise is completed. In next class we will do practical of this chapter and I will also send the PDF file of notebook exercise that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, till then stay safe, learn well, goodbye, thank you.